we get started then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should probably put this stuff away.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? We've got a different style of video for you today. Ali and I are going to be reacting to dental related TikToks. We've got a few here, so let's just jump straight into it. When you have a dentist appointment in 10 minutes.
You know, we can tell. No, we can tell when people haven't been brushing their teeth. This doesn't actually work. I mean, before I used to do this.
Yeah.
Before going to the dentist, I used to just scrub.
Yeah, I mean, before I studied dentistry, I used to do that as well. But it's basically when you come in, if you haven't been brushing your teeth properly for like 2 weeks or something,
we can tell.
We can tell because your gums are going to be like swollen. They're going to be like
red,
a little bit red.
Inflamed, yeah.
But it is still good to do because I hate it when patients come in and they've got loads of food in their teeth.
Yeah. Oh,
so if you've got food all over, if you've just eaten a sandwich 10 minutes before you've come in, it's really annoying because I can't tell if that's just like food that's stuck on your teeth or if it's actual like plaque and the sticky stuff that builds up on your teeth. So brush your teeth before you come in, but don't think we don't really know.
yeah. Okay, next one.
Yeah. How to whiten teeth. Yeah, brushing, mouthwash.
That's good.
Leave for 30 minutes. Brush again.
How did that happen? I mean, I use toothpaste, but what was that? Because toothpaste doesn't make my.
So swish with mouthwash. Oh, it's like Oral-B 3D White.
Oh, those are strips.
But you've used those strips before, haven't you?
I've not used strips. I've used actual whitening.
Oh, the whitening.
Actual
trays,
whitening, yeah, whitening with trays.
I think strips are a good way to start, I guess. They're nice and cheap, so you can try it. If they whiten your teeth, great. Like you can just stick with them. But I think still to this day, like the best way to whiten your teeth is with the whitening trays. Yeah, and you do it at home overnight for like 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Oh my god. Imagine hearing that. And you're like,
bro, what are you talking about? I hear that every time I go to the peds.
Oh,
I hear that.
Traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
So at dental school, we have like little bays and like it's completely open. And sometimes like when there's like another kid in another bay, they're like screaming and shouting. We're trying our best to like make sure our child patient is like calm and not nervous. And then like it might even be like the bay opposite you.
I feel like sometimes it's like a chain reaction as well. Like if one starts crying, that's it. Like you're gonna hear multiple. This is like you can hear one crying, that's it.
So
it sets them off.
Yeah, literally.
Actually, so funny. This is why people are afraid, man.
That's what happens, isn't it? You have like one traumatizing experience and then like you're scared of the dentist for the rest of your life, basically.
That's literally like when patients come in and be like, oh yeah, I've had, I'm quite scared of the dentist. I'm like, all right, what happened? Talk to me, what happened?
You know what? So many patients have told me a story where they said, oh, I went to the dentist and to get my wisdom tooth out or something, and the dentist put his knees on my chest.
Oh, I've heard that before.
I've had too many patients tell me that, and I'm so scared because I think they're making it up. But I've heard way too many people tell me.
I've heard the same thing.
So it must be true. I don't know.
Crazy.
We don't do it, guys.
No, we do not do that. Not taught to do that now, anyway.
Yeah, crazy.
Here's why you should never trust your dentist. This guy is dentist Harold Schneider. He's known for pulling out way more teeth than needed. He's worked on hundreds of children and puts them in a straitjacket while they scream for their lives. Tons of moms were sick of this and tried to fight him, but his criminal charges were dropped because apparently he has a mental condition.
Oh my god.
That's so bad. Oh my days.
I remember actually being taught about that, like how kids used to be like as a method of like, you know how like you have modeling,
behavior management.
Yeah, behavior management. Like we used to learn it, like it had like different behavior techniques, like behavior management, like tell, show, do, modeling, stuff like that. One of them was actually like to hold the child in, like to hold them in place and like restrain them.
Physical restraint.
Yeah, physical restraint. Yeah, that's the one. But
this is taking this to the next
level.
level.
Yeah, this is a bit too much, man. This is crazy. Oh, that's too awkward. That's too much for me.
That's why I have loops.
Do you ever get that thing like when I've got my loops on sometimes and I can't see what's happening outside, like what's going on, like I just don't know what's going on outside.
When I have my loops
some vital things,
I literally only see the teeth. Yeah, we don't look at your eyes when we're treating you. Literally all my eyes are just on the teeth at all times. It's taking an impression.
She's gonna be like, almost done.
Pressure going down, okay?
I've done that before. I've just been like almost done with just getting started.
Oh, the gag, just gagging the pages.
Oh,
Have you ever had a
Hey.
patient throw up on you?
no, you know what I've had? Because I gag when people gag.
Oh yeah.
So when Asia starts gagging, I'm like,
Oh, it makes you gag as well.
we're both like,
Two people gagging at once.
I'm like, no, I can't handle this. Yeah, that's happened to me before.
I've had
I've had the patient throw up.
yeah.
Yeah, I've had the patient throw up. This was like first clinical year. Mix was way too runny. I think at the time we were like practicing. Oh yeah, it's just Dr. Shardy's video, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I've seen this
Her
actually.
TikToks are great.
Instagram.
Okay, so first of all, those are not veneers and those are full coverage crowns. If you've seen my previous video, you
people
will
get it
know
all
that
the
shaving
time.
teeth down to pegs like that
Yeah.
is going to damage the nerve. Veneers or crowns will need to be replaced every 10 to 15 years typically, and she's going to have dentures by the age of 40. I personally wouldn't choose that. Would you?
No, sorry.
Yeah, she's so
No.
right.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I've had a couple of people ask me who are in their teens as well, and like they're like, "Oh, should I do it? Should I go for it?" I know, like usually family, friends, and stuff. Like,
Yeah.
they're like asking you for your personal opinion, like, "Oh, like what do you think?"
Yeah,
As opposed to the professional opinion. I don't even know what they mean by that, but I'm like, no, don't do it. You're crazy
Yeah.
if you do it.
Usually we say like you go into the cycle. Once you start
Yeah,
to
the
get
restorative cycle.
yeah,
Yeah.
once you start getting it done, then you have to keep maintaining it and keep going for it over and over again. At one point, the tooth's gonna have to come out. You're either gonna have dentures or implants. That many implants will cost thousands, and you don't want to go down that route.
No,
Yeah.
definitely not.
That's one of those teeth whitening ones.
Years. Okay.
Here we go.
Does she have teeth left?
I haven't seen that combo, coconut oil and turmeric. I've seen turmeric and just lemon juice. Oh.
Oh.
It's so weird because
That can't taste nice either.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, like not even.
5 minutes.
Her teeth not sensitive.
I don't know.
Has she not? Let's see if she warns people.
I think so. The problem. So
Not worth it, in my opinion.
the problem with doing these kind of whitening, I've seen other people do it with like lemon juice and baking soda or like charcoal powders, like black charcoal powder and stuff like that. So the way, yes, when you do it once, it will whiten your teeth, or if you do it a few times a week, it will whiten your teeth. But the way it's doing it is you're wearing away the top surface of your teeth that has been stained. And yes, so it's gonna make it look whiter, but over time you're just constantly wearing away a layer at a time, and your tooth is just gonna slowly get thinner and thinner, and you're gonna get sensitivity with it. So maybe if you just do it once, you might feel like it's worth it. That's great. But if you're doing it regularly, it's really not good for your teeth. The safest way to whiten, again, at home whitening with bleaching tray.
Yeah, go to your dentist. Go to your dentist, they'll give you proper advice.
Yeah.
And that the main ingredient in whitening strips was hydrogen peroxide, and it's really
How did you
cheap
get
to
hydrogen
buy
peroxide
and
like
sell.
that?
Now, if you're a dentist,
Why
don't
is it
tell me
so
this
easy to
wrong,
buy
save
this
me
stuff
the grief,
online?
The damage has already been done, okay? But
Oh my
basically,
God.
I got a £4 bottle from eBay, and it has to be
Oh my
3%,
God.
and I dipped it
This
in.
is
That must be so bad for your gums. I can't imagine how much they
unreal.
sting.
Yeah, like she looks like she was getting it more in her gums than
Yeah,
her teeth.
yeah.
I mean,
If you're swishing hydrogen peroxide in your mouth, you're whitening your gums as well.
Alright guys, that was pretty much it. So what have we learnt today? Don't file your teeth down with a nail file. Don't
Don't do your whitening at home with turmeric or coconut.
do that.
Yeah.
And not all dentists are out here to kill you basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video.